Okay, so now that I've created and shared a new mixtape called The Greatest Tech Tips, and I've added some videos and organized them the way that I want to, I just want to show you a couple more features before I show you the student view of the mixtape. So here I am inside the mixtape, and again, to get to your mixtapes from your educator dashboard, just simply click on Mixtapes in this top menu bar, and then click on the name of the mixtape you want to see inside of. All right, so one of the things that I wanted to point out to you is if I go over to Actions here to the far right, and I click on the drop down, I want you to notice that as the educator and the creator of the mixtape, I can download each of these videos individually, and I can also download the selfies that were posted along with the videos. I can also choose to remove the video from the mixtape. Now, if I remove the video from the mixtape, it does not affect the video in its original topic in the grid that it was originally created in. It only removes the video from the mixtape. All right, now let's quickly switch into student view and take a look at what the student sees when they're viewing a mixtape. So I'm just going to click the blue share button to get that mixtape link. We'll just copy that link, and I'm going to open a new tab in my Google Chrome browser window. Let's just paste that link in and click enter. Now, remember that I password protected this mixtape. This is a great idea, especially when working with students in order to just add an extra layer of security for their privacy. I'm going to go ahead and enter the password and click Let's Go. And here I see the mixtape as a student would see the mixtape. I can play by clicking on the blue play button here in the top right corner. And by clicking this play button, it will play through each of the videos, or I can simply just click on a video in order to load the video to play. And then just click off the screen in order to close that video. Notice that as a student, I can also follow the mixtape by clicking the follow button here in the top right corner. By following the mixtape, I'm able to stay up to date. When new videos are added to the mixtape, I will get a notification in my email. So as a student or as a teacher, say following a mixtape, I would enter in my email address, and I can choose if I want daily notifications or weekly notifications. And then I go ahead and click follow. I will get a confirmation email, and again, I will receive weekly notifications when videos are added to this particular mixtape. Please note at this time, students cannot download their video or their selfie from the mixtape. However, students have that functionality by going to my.flipgrid.com. And we will talk about my Flipgrid and its features and functionalities in a future video.